Do you know that disagreements are part of every relationship? Whether you're dating, married, or even building close friendships, two people will not always see life the same way. The important thing is not avoiding conflict, but learning to handle it in a way that pleases God. Ephesians chapter 4 verse 2 to 3 says, "Be completely humble and gentle. Be patient, bearing with one another in love, making every effort to keep the unity of the Spirit through the bond of peace." Welcome to this channel. On this channel, we'll talk about relationship, peaceful and blissful marriage. And today, we'll be looking at the topic, finding unity in conflict. What is conflict? Conflict in a relationship refers to disagreements or disputes between partners that arise from different perspectives, needs, or values, and can be both a challenge and an opportunity for growth. Conflict is inevitable in any relationship, but here are some steps that can help us deal with conflict in a healthy way. 1. Pause and pray. When emotions rise, it's tempting to keep pressing your point, but prayer changes the atmosphere. Stopping to pray softens hearts, calms emotion, and invites God's wisdom into the situation. Couples can pray together. Single can pray before responding to a friend or partner. In both cases, prayer helps us put love above pride. Be anxious for nothing, but in everything by prayer and supplication with thanksgiving, let your request be made known to God. Philippians chapter 4 verse 6. 2. Listen beyond words. Arguments often go in circles because we only hear the words, not the heart behind them. A disagreement about money or chores might really be about feelings unappreciated or unsupported. When we listen with patience, we begin to understand the deeper need. This is true whether you are resolving conflict in marriage, in dating, or even in family circle or family life. He purpose in a man's heart is like deep water, but a man of understanding will draw it out. Proverbs chapter 20 verse 5. 3. Speak with kindness. Words can heal or hurt. Instead of saying you never listen, try saying I feel hurt when I don't feel heard. Gentle words lower defenses and make space for reconciliation. Whether you are a husband speaking to a wife, fiancé to a fiancé, or a friend to another, kind speech builds bridges instead of walls. A gentle answer turns away wrath, but a harsh words stirs up anger. Proverbs chapter 15 verse 1. 4. Value unity over winning. Sometimes we argue as if we are opponents, but in God's design, relationships are partnerships. The goal is not to win the argument, but to protect unity. In marriage, it means remembering that it's not husband versus wife, but both of you versus the problem. In dating and relationship or friendship, it means choosing peace over pride. And above all this, put on love, which binds everything together in perfect harmony. Colossians chapter 3 verse 14. 5. Seek wise counsel when needed. Some conflicts can be resolved between the two of you. Others may need the wisdom of mentor, pastor, or counselor. God places people in our lives to guide us and help us see what sometimes can't see on our own. This is true in marriage, courtship, or even friendships. Plans fail for lack of counsel, but with many advisors, they succeed. Proverbs 15:22. Note, conflict is not a sign that your relationship is failing. It's a reminder that two imperfect people are learning to love like Christ with patience, humility, and grace. If this topic resonates down well with you, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll definitely be seeing you in my next video. Bye.